Veda, you guys.
No, sorry, it's over.
Yamini, Joe.
Can someone put their hands in my food for me?
People are cribbing for ice cream out here.
Oh!
Ammo, hi.
Hi bro, what's up?
Nothing much. But those guys, they're having fun. Look at them. Threesome, awesome.
Awesome threesome.
Oh, whatever, same thing. Wait, I'm recording, Ammo. Ammo.
Hi Joe, say something. Happy birthday Joe. Oh yeah. And I bet you'll say you're the best. What? Veda, your birthday is the closest. Say something.
I'm gonna be 18 years old. I don't even feel 17 years old.
How boring, Veda. Guys, say something. I want to eat today. Oh. How do you like the cake?
So this man walks into a bar and he says,
I can't take this, okay, and I'm going to bang into something, so. Hi, bro, what's up?
Hey, man.
You guys later, man, not in front of the camera.
Hey, what? This is in the kitchen. Everyone's fighting for some odd reason.
Oh, what? Nobody's fighting. You can't make whether it's chicken or non-veg or vegetarian.
Oh, this is vegetarian.
People, man, people. Yamini. Joe. Priyanka. Choita.
Now that I know my own birthday, Einstein, the cake is brilliant. It's just heavenly. Hey,
She's enjoying it, man. Everyone is enjoying.
I told her also.
You aren't recording her, now you're recording.
Yeah, I know. We can see a very nice side between Ammu and Hemal. They're totally in love, aren't they? She's feeding the ice cream and she's enjoying. And he's
What did you do
enjoying.
that t-shirt, huh?
Which one?
The love sticks.
I lost it, man.
Hey, sucker, what sexy t-shirt you got?
Busy talking to someone.
Calling my dad.
Don't lie.
I swear.
Don't lie.
See? See?
Where's I can't see it.
It says Aku's dad, man.
Okay,
Everybody be shining. This is a treat from Joe and
What time is it? Oh, started at midnight. No, it's too cold. What? They gave you bigger than that veg. It started not at the veg.
Hi, Pussa. No, I'm gonna stay awake the whole night. And the only thing that's going to make me stay awake is food. The food is so good.
Yeah, but there's so much, right? What are you eating? Corn.
Corn and pasta and all some stuff over there. Basically, I've taken one fork and I'm putting it in every bowl and tasting everything.
And you're jhutofying everything?
Of course.
Oh my god. I'm zooming in, I'm zooming in. Oh my god, I'm zooming in. Zoom in, zoom in.
Excuse me, man, please.
And also does no, zoom in, zoom in. Oh no, no, zoom out.
please, please. Leave.
The baby I can see. Oh my god, what is that?
Get it?
I'm now entering the people who are absolutely useless and who are not just boring. The wall looks scary. Oh my god. What? Huh? Turn it around. Deva, why you now who's pouting her lips? Hey Jiggy, you know, you look really cool from this. Yeah, you look. Jiggy, if I come close, you won't look good now. Yeah.
Then it's okay, I'll see it
Oh my god, I actually got Nikki on camera for once. Smile. Hey, look here, don't keep looking. Hi, so are you happy again? Come on. There's a waterfall, man. Come here, look here.
Dano, what's about now? I'm recording it. Aww.
Wipes it off. Hi. Look here.
Aww. I think this is so futile. Don't eat it, okay? He is so sweet. He goes to anyone and he just keeps laughing and smiling. And he hasn't cried at all with a bunch of strangers.
Oh, this is pro.
Hi!
See, I have big hands. I've got the biggest hands around.
Why do you want such big hands?
Do you want my hand? Look at my finger. Hold it. Hold it, man.
It's bigger than his face, no?
Yeah, it's bigger than your face. Come on, hold it. Oh, you got it, man. Oh.
So cute.
Can I pull my hair?
No, don't.
He's laughing.
Come, chuck your arm. Come. Jan, you had it for so long. Okay, fine.
Wow,
You've been fighting over him from that time.
Sorry.
Something. Saviyu. He's too cute, no?
Will you come to me?
Like a koala. If you ask him. Yeah, come. He's like a koala.
Oh, look at that phone.
I know. He cleans like a See, isn't he like a koala? He is so sweet.
No wonder we all. He's nothing. I'll tell you later. One girl is there. Lucky kid. What bro?
I know what you're talking about.
You can win this time.
He's trying to
What is everything to that ball, man? It's like it's made.
He doesn't get scared.
He's strong.
What's his name? Saviyu. You reckon your name, baby?
How old is
Do you? A few months. I want to ask his sister how old
You won.
He's enthralled by the dog. Janu, don't shake. It's like Janu's like so cute. Did you keep doing? He's like took out her glasses and like. Okay, so Pushpi, as always, can't resist the call of the camera. Can you look at it, Amu? She's working. Helping her. It's okay. Pushpi is working hard at night time in the dark to make us all paneer. Amu, and Amu is helping her.
Actually manhandling her.
And Preet, poor thing, is now only working and not in.
Okay, now it's actually helping.
Hi, Iman.
Hi, Danu. Look, this is a potato. Okay.
Is it worth recording?
No.
Oh God, Sharad's cook just called him.
Love messages in her.
Love messages. Oh, but it's from Lakshmi, maybe. Do we see that smile? Oh my God, it was from Lakshmi. What a guess, man. What a guess.
1 sec, I'll just.
प्यार की छेड़छाड़.
Love on SMS.
Yeah, what SMS?
Love on SMS.
Ooh. Okay, this is a moment of truth. We're checking if our potatoes are finally cooked or no.
I'm hoping that I will not burn my fingers in the barbie.
And? See, Pusa, you know, when I give you the camera, you don't just focus on you and the things around you. No, but then... Give an objective. No, but Janu, this is a very... we're checking if the potatoes are cooked or not. I'm behind the camera for Christ's sake. Is it? Is it?
I don't know. We have to cut it and check over.
Yeah.
And then put them back.
If it cuts nicely, softly, easily.
Not good.
Cooked?
I think so.
Is the inside done?
This is a small potato cut.
Is it done, but?
I think I'll check the bigger one.
Success! Check 1, check 2. Can you hear anything in the video? Janu, say something. Not that I'll be able to make out, but... Nikki, stop it, Nikki.
What? Turn.
Oh my God, Nikki, stop it! Okay.
Not interested. Yeah, you're trying to take my enemies away. And now you're just overdoing it because the camera's on you. Of course not. I'm not a pushpi. Okay, now let's say stop it. You can model in front of the... Mama, actually, I think you have a figure that looks like this.
Don't take.
Oh, that really hurts. I'm sorry. I'll never do that to Amu again.
What did she do to you?
She's asked me to say things that I don't.
That's a lie.
No, all the torture. You heard her? Amu, you're really hurting me. Stop it.
Oh, not again.
So I was saying that I'll start a dhaba and I'll sell wax statues of Amu as complimentary gift to all the lorry drivers who come to it. Okay, so that way every man will be fantasizing about you, but your real husband will get so pissed off with you because you think you're a traitor. Finish, divorce, talaq. And then you'll come to me for the case and I will fight for your husband, not for you.
So typical, you know. I'm telling you, no.
Yes, you can tell that, see? I've passed the Lakshman Rekha, it's time to change the topic. Oh.
You know, actually, she won't care. Okay, all she wants is good looks and money. That's all she wants in her life.
Hello, you got that in your life, make the most of it. Look at these two, they own half a bank, but they're so useless, okay? If I had that kind of money, oops, somebody gets slapped.
We're not so reckless and hasty as you are to slap people
You're
unnecessarily.
opposite. I have to beg you to change your shoes in seconds down in your pencil box.
Good, you got that.
Hey Joe, that's why Madhu was perfect, no?
Why? Because he always had new shoes and
No, good looks and money.
same thing.
I'm telling you, man, that's all she needs.
You guys stop. They're actually bitching about you on camera purposely to record it. Okay, they're faking your pictures there. No,
We're not faking it, man. It's actually true.
yeah, that's it, man. Come on, we got the BS team in here, okay? Yes, that's what are you bitching about? Yeah, what are you bitching about me? This guy, give it to me. Yeah! Come on, 1, 2, 3, pummy. I did it. Pile on, Nikki. Come, Amma, you can also dog pile.
Joe, I thought you had that pillow fight was fun.
Oh shit, she's actually videoing it. What do you think? You're some bloody Amit from Himalaya? No.
Who's Amit from Himalaya?
How can you bitch about me?
Epitome of purity.
What? Bullshit. There's no such word. No, it's
It's epitome.
It's epitome.
It's epitome. I checked it and then you don't say tome. I use that in my
What is the other word? What's the other
Don't
word
list
you
of
keep
examples.
fucking up? Conversation.
No, but I said conversation.
Very good girl.
This
Hello.
one.
You know, usually I don't like opening my mouth.
Conversation.
Conversation.
Yeah, that's how
You know, you guys, when you dial someone and it's engaged and it says this phone is currently
It's
under.
still recording.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, so what
This
if
phone
it
is
says?
currently under.
Conversation. She thought it was not
It's
conservation.
conservation. You guys.
Bullshit.
Oh, I
It
think
says
it's a bloody
this
protected
phone
telephone
Call my
line.
mom's phone. It's always engaged. Just call it. I know it. You don't even pretend to read the paper and all.
Yeah, you know, every time I try talking to him, he says, oh, look at the baby in the paper. Oh, look at this, look at that.
Maybe.
You know what? Joe, I'll never laugh. I'll never laugh.
You shut the hell up, you just ditched me for
No, but then see, I was gonna do that. Okay, but then she's trying to pinch my.
Ah, yeah, I said my Angelina Jolie, Tomb Raider and all, and this is what I get.
No, but Angelina Jolie injects her lips.
Oh, every day. And then
I-
I'm sure. You know what? I'm sure she had a pet bee hive and every she could stick her
And
mouth.
by the way, Nikki is very pissed off with you and he's gonna get into a fight. So come on, Leo. Come on, Give Leo, come on, fight back, fight back. I'm just
You hit back. Okay, why are you pissed off?
Let's throw mud down these two. Most sexy like girl fight.
Why are you pissed off with me? Because.
Supposed to fight you.
Yeah.
Fight, you aren't fighting.
Fight back.